I don't know where to start from. Oh God will help me. Compared to what is wanted to do so. And this one was like, this thing that I want to do now is not relaxing in any way. I moved into a new place and I'm just trying to put things together, really. As you can see, even behind me, you can see boxes. So it's going to be a busy vlog. This thing that I want to do now is not relaxing in any way. Literally, like, unboxing lot of boxes, trying to put the house together and all that banter. So, but yeah, welcome to the vlog. Okay, I have a lot of boxes here. Let me show you what it's looking like. You can see my pillows are just lying everywhere. Just boxes that need to be unboxed. I just put everything in the kitchen so that it will be easier to like move around. My suitcases are even here. So yeah, that is basically what we have to do. I don't know where to start from. Oh God will help me. I'm just hoping that I would survive this. Alright guys, let's just get into this video. Battery died, so I've done a bunch of stuff off camera. I can just show you guys what I've done so far and what we still need to do. This is the kitchen. We have set up as much as I've done as much as I could. Basically, the plan is just to like empty the boxes. So yeah, we're almost done with this area. Just going to add one or two things and then we'll be done with the kitchen area. We're going to finish it up and then we'll get to look at the final state. So I bought this flower stand And then I bought soap dispensers. I bought both of them. And see ice cube trays. On here, yeah, here. I'm going to do the sitting area and then the room. I don't know if I can do all of this night, to be honest. This evening it's already getting late and I am exhausted. I'll just do some things just to round up the day and then I would see you tomorrow. All right. We have some packages, we'll unbox them tomorrow. Hi, good morning. I have to complete these arrangements today. I really want to try and do everything today so that tomorrow I can do other things like grocery shopping. I have no food in this house. Forget to unbox the things I bought yesterday. Sorry, I got delivered yesterday. I think we can start with that so that we'll be happy. No, let's do the hard part. Then we'll unbox later. Okay? So let me just show you what I'm dealing with. And then yeah. So welcome to day 2. Hopefully this is the last day. I am tired. That's what we're working with basically. It doesn't look like a lot, to be honest. I think I have come far. Like, these are like clothes and some other random stuff. Let's just start. just came to say hi to you guys. We're done with the room. That's like how many hours after? Let me see what time it is. It's literally like 4 o'clock. So we've been on this for like over 3 hours now. We are tired. I have to continue because it's not a lot anymore. This was like the major thing for me to do today. I just set up the bathroom and the remaining things around. So let me show you what the room looks like now compared to what it looked like yesterday or this morning. I have done a very great job. This soap dispenser with the tumbler thing. I got this diffuser thing. So that's it for today. Oh yeah, we're supposed to unbox. I'm so tired. Today, very long day, but we thank God we have succeeded in putting the house together. See how to show the situation there. Unbox this. Okay. Come to the end of the vlog. I have done everything I have to do. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click the notification bell so that you will know when I upload a video. I will see you next time. Bye.